Isn't it time you got off the sidelines and tackled trading? Join our online community of active traders where we make it happen every day. Stocks, options, futures, and forex at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.
Matt Justice here for Tackle Trading. Wanted to do a quick little update this morning before I got started and kind of look at the news of the day, how it impacted the market so far. And basically, the biggest news of the day, if we go to the Trade Center here, we're going to look at the economic report in the marketplace, and we're going to go to economic calendar. Let that come up here. Now, the news of the day, we basically had the consumer sentiment report here in the U.S. It's basically a report that tells how happy consumers are. If consumers are happy, they're going to be out there spending money. If they're not happy, obviously, they're going to be saving money. Now, the common thought the last few months on the oil market was, as the oil market is coming down, it's going to strengthen consumer sentiment because consumers are going to be paying less on gas. They're going to have more spending to do out there. They're going to be a little happy. And so today's consumer sentiment report was quite alarming, to be perfectly honest with you. The prior consumer sentiment report was 95.4. The consensus was it was actually going to increase to 96. The consensus range was 94.5 to 98, but the actual number that came out was 91.2, and that's problematic for the marketplace when we see something that is supposed to be, an average report come in at a very, very low number in terms of consumer confidence out there. So let's see how it impacted the marketplace very quickly. Let's go ahead and look at the ES contract very quickly. Okay, and as you can see, this is the time period it's coming out. You see it basing here. It's right there around 2053. The consumer sentiment report comes out and it goes down. And that's exactly how it should have responded. The consumer sentiment report comes out. It's not a very good report. It comes all the way back down into the 2040 range. Look for the ES contract to continue to fade down because I don't know if the buy the dip mentality has been there recently. Let's look at the dollar index to see how it responded today. And the dollar index right here comes out 8 o'clock and it responds up. Now that's a little different because it should have responded down very similar to the marketplace given the fact that the marketplace, the consumer sentiment report was not very good, and usually the value of a currency will reflect the value of the economy, and so that was a little concerning how that responds, but it just goes to show you how just utterly strong the U.S. dollar is, and now that it's up above that $100 mark, man, I think it could run, to be perfectly honest with you. Obviously, we've been a very strong dollar. And the last thing I'm going to look at is the euro dollar, and I want to point something out. I missed this run here in the euro dollar because I trailed my stop loss up above this level just on Wednesday and Thursday. Got kicked out on Thursday right into this level. I was kind of happy I did, to be honest with you. I had a very, very good trade on the euro dollar, made some money on it, but now it's coming right back down, and I am looking to re-enter into the position as it goes underneath the 1.05 level. I think that is a very important support level for the euro dollar. If it does break that, I will be looking to enter into a trade. Now it is Friday. Most everything is just kind of winding down. The U.S. marketplace will be winding down here shortly. I don't know if we're going to get any strong movement coming into the weekend, but if we do, I wouldn't mind getting into the euro dollar coming into the weekend because I think we're going to get some downward movements over the weekend opening on Sunday as well. But if it doesn't break $1.05, I'm just going to hang out and wait till Sunday to see kind of the opening of the currency market on Sunday. Matt Justice for Tackle Trading. Check us out over there at www.tackletrading.com.